Okay, so we want to do this exactly. So we're going to say file except to Affinity, file new, and we're going to do something with a reasonably big resolution. So most computer monitors are going to be full HD by now, which is 1920 by 1080. But PowerPoint is normally going to be 4:3. But you can always crop the sides off. So bear in mind that this is widescreen, and that's a little bit more like the old-fashioned square monitors. So the sides of your images you should probably leave so that you can crop them. So we're going to set this to a nice big resolution here. You could use bigger, but this is probably fine for most digital presentations, not for print, of course. And say OK. Cool, so now we've got a new little empty image here with a white background, and it's odd because there's nothing in the layers, so I don't know how we would delete the white background, but let's just ignore that because that's fine. Okay, first things first is we want our text, so we're going to grab our text, and there is our text. Can I move this text? Yes. And I want that bolder. But we said we want to leave the sides a little bit emptier so that we can crop it. So there is our croppable text. So that text is still editable. Then we want to create a folder, which it doesn't let us right now, whatevs. And we want to grab some images, and we're going to grab our cat and our duck and our other cat. Okay, and now we're going to select all three of these and hit the folder button. So now these three are inside a folder, and we can still select and move individually. So we're going to take that, move it on the top, and we're going to right click and say mask to below. So now it is masking this folder, but we can still go and move these individual things. So we're going to scale this little cat guy up a bit. Totally not disproportional, but that's fine. I want those eyes. And then this guy, look at his little cuteness. Yes. But this cat is currently blocking that part of the image. So we're going to go and give this a mask, and then click on the mask, grab our brush tool, and paint with black. So black's in the foreground. And with a bit of a bigger brush, we're going to go and paint on the mask of the cat here that we want to remove. Now the duck is also messing with us, but first let's go and clean up this part. So we're painting in the mask of this thing that's covering part of our S. Okay, and then we want to take our yellow duck, and we're going to hit V or click on the arrow. We're going to move our duck. Look at him, he's so cute. Scale it up a teensy tiny little bit. And that doesn't need a mask, but if this was on top, if it was on top there, and it was covering up the other cat, we could have just quite as easily added a mask, clicked on the mask, grabbed our brush tool, and painted over that, so that it was then visible underneath. So we're not deleting because it's not destructive. If we flip that over white, we can always paint that back. So it's nice like that, but it stays visible. It makes that part of the image invisible. Okay. Next thing is we want this all to be black and white. So up at the top here, top level, we can go into our adjustments and have either a hue, saturation, and luminosity, or just a black and white filter, or any type of filter you want. And We don't need that open. So that's that black and white thing. So that's nice because it's dynamic as well. So you can at later stage say, I don't feel like it being black and white anymore. And then on this, we want to have a little bit of an outline. So we're going to say FX, say outline, and give that a little bit of a thickness. Cool. Now, the advantage of having that higher resolution is you can, you know, get down there. Of course, this image obviously was distorted a little bit, but our curves are nice and sharp, even if we decide we want to print that image a little bit later.